The optimizer is a core feature of the Aquila Cloud's FinOps platform. It assists the users in streamlining their cloud spends by providing cost optimization recommendations and displaying the potential savings per year if applied. In this video we will talk about the cost optimization of storage volumes. Aquila Cloud's FinOps platform provides storage volume recommendations to identify unassociated and underutilized volumes. We provide recommendations to minimize unattached storages, orphan snapshots, over-provisioned IOPS, and to change volume types for better efficiency and reduced spends. Unattached storages are volumes which are not associated to any instances and can be deleted without affecting the performance. Snapshots are backups of volumes that are taken to prevent unintended data loss. FinOps can check whether they are associated with active volumes or not. Unassociated snapshots are referred to as orphan snapshots. These orphan snapshots can be deleted to save costs. IOPS stands for input-output operations per second, and represent high-performance storage volumes for workloads that require low latency. We have recommendations for over-provisioned IOPS storages. These storages are underutilized and can be sized down while still meeting the performance requirements. Lastly, we have volume type change recommendations for all the storages whose volume type can be changed while still meeting the performance requirements and reaping cost savings. Navigating to the Optimizer Storages page from the left side menu, the All Potential Savings tab shows the overall savings per year if the given recommendations are applied across the board. In the list below, storage volumes are listed with details such as environment type, spends, and potential savings if the optimizer actions are performed. More details can be viewed from the View Columns menu, and the data can be downloaded in CSV format from the Download button. Now, we will go to each of the tabs to view details for specific storage resources. The Unattached Storage tab shows the potential savings if unattached storages are removed. In the Details section of the instance we can get its metadata such as name, ID, date of creation, volume type, size, encryption status, and such. This can be used to identify the resource so unattached volumes can be deleted to control operating costs. The Delete button on the top right can be used to perform the delete action. A snapshot can be created if a backup is required, and the deletion time can be set for the action to automatically execute. Going back, and to the Orphan Snapshot tab, we can view potential savings by deleting these. Similar to unattached storage, we can go to the details and use the Delete button to set a deletion time for the snapshots that are not required. Similarly, the Over-Provisioned IOPS Storage tab shows potential savings if recommendations are applied to them, and the option to do so is accessible from the Details section of listed storages. Lastly, the Volume Type Change tab displays potential savings if storage volume types are altered to better suit their use case. Along with the listed columns we can also see the existing and suggested types for the volume. Furthermore, we can go to the Optimizer Details section for a particular volume to view its metadata including type, size, volume, and encryption status, its connected instance, and current state. In the graph below, we can look at the read-write IOPS of the storage over time. The time frame for the data can be adjusted using the time filter in the top right of the page and then clicking the Apply button to reload it. Optimizer also gives us the option to alter the volume type from FinOps itself. To act on the volume change recommendation, select the Execute button from the top right, then choose the desired volume type and the date to migrate to it. FinOps will automatically change the volume type of selected instance at the scheduled date and time. This sums up our overview of the Optimizer Storages page. As always, the Aquila Cloud's team is available via call or email. Feel free to reach out as required.